Are you looking for the best manual weeders in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best manual weeders that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Grampa's manual weeder. Our first product is the century-old classic weeding tool by Grampa's Gardenware Company. This manual weeder has won hearts all over the world for more than a century. Originally conceived in 1913, Grampa's weeder has retained its old-school charm of simplicity and effectiveness even today. Grampa's weeder, the original stand-up weed puller tool, is as reliable and trustworthy as the name itself. The secret lies in the superior quality of the materials employed in its manufacturing. The weeder handle is real bamboo, and the head is fine quality steel. Bamboo provides extra resilience, while the steel head works its way through the most stubborn soil with ease. Another remarkable feature is the ergonomic length of the handle. The 45-inch stand-up handle makes weed pulling rather simple, so it's light on your back. The steel head features 4 claws that work well on all soil types. Removal of weeds and invasive plants is a hassle-free, 3-step process with this ingenious weeder. Simply center the metal claw over the weed, thrust it into the ground, and tilt the bamboo handle to pry it out. This chemical and toxin-free age-old solution is safe for the home and environmentally friendly. All these features and qualities make Grampa's weeder a gardener's first choice. Up next in the 4th place is the Cate's Garden Premium Manual Weeder. This manual weeder by Cate's Garden makes weeding simpler so that anyone in the household can tackle this chore. The lightweight tool is just over 13 inches in length and easily maneuverable. Cate's Garden Premium Hand Weeder is ideal for your home garden and can be used to remove thistles, dandelions, chickweed, crabgrass, and other common varieties of garden weeds. The attractive handle is ash wood, known for its tensile strength, shock resistance, and durability. The ergonomic handle ensures a smooth and comfortable operation. The base, neck, and fork of the weeder are made with heavy-duty, rust-resistant stainless steel to last you for ages. The leveraged base is slightly curved, so you can place it on the ground and use the sharp and sturdy V-shaped fork to remove the weed completely. Although this cultivator is guaranteed to earn both your trust and contentment, you can return it any time for a full refund, thanks to Cate's Garden's 100% money-back guarantee. And as if that is not enough, the weeder comes with a complimentary leather strap for conveniently storing your favorite gardening tool. The 3rd product on our list is the CobraHead Original Manual Weeder. This multifunctional gardening tool is a dream addition to every avid gardener's tool shed. Yes, the CobraHead Original Weeder and Cultivator Garden Hand Tool really is that versatile and powerful. You don't need a green thumb to use it well. The simple design makes it equally handy for novices who are gearing up for their first venture in gardening as it does seasoned pros. The handle, made from recycled plastic, has a comfortable gripping material and offers convenient operation with either the left or the right hand. What makes this manual weeder an absolute favorite among gardeners is its multi-purpose steel blade. It is robust enough to plow through and break up any soil. The blade head is curved to provide easy access to the ground and facilitate digging, weeding, and planting. The high-quality blade looks like a steel fingernail. This design is also great for cultivating, edging, digging, furrowing, and harvesting. It's the optimal tool for all plant lovers as it caters to all their gardening and landscaping needs. Second on our list is the Atakin Black Iron Hori Manual Weeder. Atakin has been developing premium tools for home improvement that effectively combine comfort with innovation for many years. This multifaceted Japanese garden knife is another testament to Atakin's credibility. The Atakin Black Iron Hori Garden Knife is a priceless addition to any gardener's toolbox and boasts numerous attractive features. The extra sharp stainless steel blade is polished to perfection and cuts roots and plants with minimum effort. Serrated edges on the 7-inch blade augment its cutting capacity. There is a measuring tool with precise calibrations on the reverse of the blade to aid the pros in planting and cultivating. The concave form adds utility to the knife for efficient scooping and digging of soil. The glistening handle of the weeding knife is a beauty in itself. The full handle with 3 metal pins provides exceptional use. Made with FSC certified hardwood, the 5-inch long handle allows for a powerful grip to make weeding a no-fuss business. The knife covers a litany of gardening needs, from weeding and digging to cutting and cultivating. Other enticing add-ons include a sharpening stone for the blade and a dense leather sheath to stow it away safely. Cate also offers a global 10-year warranty on the product, as well as a 100% money-back guarantee. With all of these features, this knife is a must-have for every gardening expert. It is also the perfect gift for all gardening lovers, owing to its beautiful packaging and thoughtful accessories. Finally, the top product on our list is the Radius Garden Carbon Steel Edger Manual Weeder. The Radius Garden Carbon Steel Edger Manual Weeder is a multifaceted garden tool that can cut neat edges and remove unwanted weeds. It's ultra-durable. The carbon steel semicircular blade is not only strong, but it's also lightweight, while the fiberglass shaft helps shed the pounds. An O-shaped handle reduces the stress on your hands and wrists, while allowing sufficient room for both hands for a powerful grip. The O-handle grip provides 4 times the gripping surface of a traditional D-handle grip and supports the muscles in your palm better. The handle length of 40.25 inches grants you the ease to work standing up without getting your hands or manicured fingernails dirty. The 40.25-inch handle is a real back saver, and the 9x5-inch semicircular blade allows you to dig deep, tear up roots, and keep your garden, lawn, and pathway in check. The extra wide elevated step provides more leverage for greater efficiency. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.